Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Kraken account with account recovery, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your Kraken account using the account recovery process, begin by navigating to the Kraken website. On the home page, locate and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. In the login prompt, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter the email address associated with your Kraken account in the designated field. After you submit your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Kraken. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and click on the password reset link provided. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After entering your new password, confirm it in the respective field. Once both fields are completed, click the Reset Password button to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now return to the Kraken homepage and click again on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and your new password to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter the code sent to your authentication method. Once you've signed in, take a moment to review your account settings for any additional recovery options. Consider updating your security settings to ensure your account remains secure moving forward. In case you encounter any issues during this process, visit Kraken's Support Center for further assistance. Follow any additional prompts or instructions to ensure the security and integrity of your account. You are now on your way to successfully restoring your Kraken account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.